Today we're going to be replacing the front brake pad and rotors on this 2011 Ford F-150. Let's start by getting the car lifted up and removing the front driver wheel. Now that I got the wheel off, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the steering wheel so we have better access to the backside. All right, now we're gonna remove our two sliding pin bolts. You have one at the bottom, one at the top. These are 13 millimeter. All right, now we can go ahead and pull the caliper off. We're gonna go ahead and grease our sliding pins. All right, so we'll go ahead and spray these off with some brake cleaner, wipe them off, and then re-grease them with some high temp grease. And you just want to get a good coating around the whole sliding pin. Go ahead and reinstall those sliding pins. And go ahead and pull these brake pads out. All right, next what we have to do is remove this caliper bracket. You have two larger bolts on the back side of the bracket. They're 21 millimeter. Next, we're just removing the old caliper. Now this one is already loose, which makes it a lot easier. Sometimes they're stuck on here and you need to get a hammer and knock it free so you'll be able to pull it off. And you do want to spray both sides. Just want to wipe the surface clean and make sure there's no oily residue on the rotor. All right, now we'll go ahead and install it. All right, now we can go ahead and reinstall our caliper bracket. All right, so now that we got our bracket back on, I'm gonna go ahead and install our new brake pads. So you wanna put brake grease on the back side of the pad and also on both ends. It. Now before we put the caliper back on, we have to compress the pistons in this caliper. So you can go ahead and put a old brake pad in here while compressing this piston back in. All right, so we're done with the driver's side. Now you want to repeat the same steps for the passenger side. And when you're finished, you want to go ahead and pump the brakes until they feel stiff. Then you'll be good to go. If you need tools to help you complete this job, you can check the links in the description. If this video is helpful, hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.